Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the connection now. First, enable Wi-Fi Direct on the TV from network or screen share. On your Android Open settings, go to Connections, tap Wi-Fi, then choose Wi-Fi Direct. Your phone advertises itself. Make sure Wi-Fi is on, but you don't need a router. This is a device-to-device link. Keep both devices close and avoid active mobile hotspots. Once the TV appears in Wi-Fi Direct list, stop here and prepare to pair when I tell you to tap the TV name. Now tap the TV name from your phone's Wi-Fi Direct list to initiate pairing. On the TV, a prompt usually appears, accept it, and on your phone allow any permissions for screencasting or media access. These let the TV receive audio and video. If a PIN appears on the TV, type it into your phone to complete authentication. Wait through the handshake. You'll see a connecting status. Once connected, the TV will indicate a client is streaming, and your phone will show a Wi-Fi Direct active state. With the link active, open the app or screen you want to show and use its cast or share function, choosing the Wi-Fi Direct TV as the target. If the app lacks cast, enable screencast in quick settings and select the TV. To stop, tap disconnect on your phone or exit on the TV. If things go wrong, reboot both devices, toggle Wi-Fi, and retry pairing. Make sure the TV truly supports Wi-Fi Direct or Miracast. If a persistent failure occurs, try a different app or check for firmware updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.